Hello, my name is AQIL JUMRI. My metric number is 0820F 2023. So I will do a tutorial how to replace a tube for bike. Equipment we need to change the tube is 4 items. That is, first one is filler to buka the tyre, and then Allen key, and the last one is tyre, pump tyre. Okay, that's all. Okay, so the first one is we need to unscrew the nut from this hub. Okay, after we unscrew it, then we take off this. The wheel. Before we take off the tyre from the rim, we need to puncture the tyre. Then after we puncture the tyre, we take this pillar and take the tyre out of the rim. Okay, after we take off the knee using this pillar, and then we take out the tube. Then the tube will be taken off from the wheel. Then we take the new tube and put it here in the hole. There is a hole there, and put it the tube in there. Then we install the we put the tube into the tyre. After we put all the tyre and tube together, we take this screw and put it here and screw it. The function of this screw is to the tube won't move won't move. Then we take this nut adapter to pump the tube. Okay, so now we take the pump and pump the tyre. After we pump the tyre, we take the wheel set into the fork, and then we put this shaft into the hole and push it until it came out. Then we take this nut, put it here, then use this Allen key to screw it back. sure the shaft is tightened. Tutorial how to replace the tube for this bike, and then thank you.